So wedding seasons are keeping everyone busy and it is hectic, I know. पर ये वाली जो wedding है ना, ये बहुत ही special है मेरे लिए because it's my best friend's wedding. So I'm going to keep it real. Usually there are a lot of people involved to get my look right. But this time, I'm going to do things my way. This foolproof hair hack is quick and easy and it makes you look gorgeous and classy. Especially for the girls with short hair like mine. Let's go! Can you see the volume in my hair? It's only because of Sunsilk Pink shampoo and conditioner. The most trusted, you know. It makes my hair look so luscious and thick and beautiful. I just love them. It's perfect for trying out new hair hacks. So it's a wedding and I'm gonna do a bun which needs to look sleek and sexy. It can be easily done with a wrap bracelet or a cuff bracelet. Like this one, in less than 2 minutes. And this look is gonna look lajawab. And trust me, it works wonders on short hair like mine. Yay! Take the hair from the crown section and bring it to back, like the way I'm doing it. Yeah. Now, take an elastic band and secure your hair. And if you don't have a brush, you can simply finger comb your hair like this. See? Tie another elastic just a few inches below the first ponytail. Like if I tied the first one here, the second one will come here. Okay? I'm gonna secure it like this. And can you see it? Now I'm gonna tug it in the middle to create some volume like this. And now I roll it inwards, the entire ponytail. I roll it inwards. And then you secure it with a U-pin or bobby pin. Now accessorizing is even more simpler. Like I told you earlier, see, I have this bracelet and I'm gonna put it on top of my bun like this. Gosh, isn't it looking perfect on my bun and on my wrist? All we need is that little bling to make that wedding look perfect, like I have one. Now use a dime size amount of Sunsilk Pink conditioner, just this much. Basically, you gently have to apply it on the flyaways so that you get that sleeker and sexy, stylish look. See? It makes it look even more sleeker and sexy. Now the leftover, just rub it on your palms and just apply it on the ends of your hair, like the way I'm doing it. Yes, there you go. It's really that simple. It barely takes any time to get your hair right. But ये सब करने के लिए, your hair needs to be thick and strong. That is why I use Sunsilk Pink shampoo and conditioner. It makes my hair healthy and strong so that I can try all these hair hacks on a daily basis. I hope you like this video and this fun hack. Now do not forget to tag me whenever you try this hairstyle out. I would love to see them. For now, I'm gonna hit my best friend's wedding because I am all set to take some bomb selfies.